Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the "th" sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The "th" sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word táo, or at the end of the word, like cát. Now let's see how to pronounce the "th" sound. First, the tip of your tongue touches the gum ridge to stop the airflow, then pull the tongue back to release it. Tense your tongue, open your mouth slightly, keep your lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the "th" sound that it is a voiceless consonant, so you don't have to vibrate the vocal cords like th, 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 táo, cát. Now let's try to say some words with the "th" sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. First, the "th" sound at the beginning of the word. To, ta, tu, tê, tá, tắm, tôm, tám, tạnh, tươi, tượng, tường. Now the "th" sound at the end of word. Át, ót, ớt, cát, cất, đất, bắt, nhất, thật, biết, tê tê, tôm tươi, tử tế, tỏ tình, tất bật, lật đật, mặt đất, lát cắt. Now let's practice saying some sentences with many of the "th" sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Tâm, bán, ớt, đắt, như, tôm, tươi. Now a little bit faster. Tâm, bán, ớt, đắt, như, tôm, tươi. Now with normal speed. Tâm bán ớt đắt như tôm tươi. Tối, thứ, tư, tiến, tỏ, tình, với, tú. Now a little bit faster. Tối, thứ tư, tiến, tỏ tình, với tú. Now with normal speed. Tối thứ tư, tiến tỏ tình với tú. Tuấn, cắt, tám, quả, ớt. Now a little bit faster. Tuấn cắt 8 quả ớt. Now with normal speed. Tuấn cắt 8 quả ớt. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.